Hello everyone, in this video I will review KTC H24F8. The KTC H24F8 is a budget-friendly gaming monitor that offers impressive features for its price. It combines with a fast and plain switching IPS panel that ensures quick response times and fluid visuals, making it ideal for fast-paced games and action-packed movies. The monitor has a refresh rate of 190 Hz, meaning the screen updates 190 times per second, which delivers smooth motion and reduces motion blur. It supports HDR10 and offers 133% coverage of the sRGB color gamut and 94% coverage of the DCI P3 color gamut, providing vivid and realistic color reproduction. The display has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, full high definition or Full HD with 1920 horizontal pixels and 1080 vertical pixels, giving sharp visuals, clear text, and detailed images. The KTC H24F8 also features low blue light and DC flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain during long gaming or work sessions. Adaptive Sync technology synchronizes the graphics card output with the display's refresh rate for smooth gameplay, while Dynamic Action Sync ensures quick targeting in competitive games. Additional gaming tools like Crosshair Overlay, FPS Counter, and Black Stabilizer enhance visibility in dark areas and improve overall gameplay. Overall, the KTC H24F8 combines high refresh rates, vibrant colors, Full HD resolution, and gamer-friendly features, making it a strong choice for gamers or anyone looking for a smooth and immersive viewing experience at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.